Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nani Sharma and this session is going to be very special for electrical and electronics branch. And most important point things for your data, if your basic is clear with related your core subjects and engineering subjects, so you don't worry about the EKT exam because here just only check your basic knowledge with related your engineering background. So here I present previous year EKT paper of the electrical and electronics. So let's get started. If x equal to a cos t plus t sin t, y equal to a sin t minus t cos t, the value of dy upon dx is. So this is very simple question with related your differentiation, and correct answer for this question is option C, that is 10t. Next question. The area of the three faces of curve are in the ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 4 and its volume is 90,000 centimeter cube. The length of the shortest edge is. So this is very so simple and easy question, and correct answer is option A, that is 15 centimeter. Next question. The value of the below express is. So this is from integration, and correct answer for this question is option B, that is log x plus c. Next question. Tickets number 1 to 20 are mixed up and then a ticket is drawn to random. What is the probability that the ticket drawn has a number which is multiple of 3 or 5? So correct answer is option B, that is 9 by 20. Next question. The projection of a vector on a other vector is. So correct answer is option A, scalar. Next question. In MKS system, we measure. So correct answer is all of these, option 4, and options are option A, mass in kilogram, distance in meter, and time in second. Next question. When the separation between two charges is made 4 times the forces between them. So correct answer is option D, decreases 16 times. Next question. When a conductor cut magnetic flux, an EMF is induced in a conductor. This is known as. So option B is correct, that is your Faraday's law. Next question. X-rays are used for the study of crystal structure because. So correct answer for this question is option B, the wavelength of the X-rays of the same order of magnetic in the interatomic spacing in the crystals. Next question. A radioactive isotope has a half-life of 10 days. If today there are 125 grams of its left, what was its original weight 40 days earlier? So correct answer is option D, that is 2000 gram, that is your 2 kg. Next question. Angles project true size only when the plane containing the angle and plane of the projection are. So correct answer is option D, parallel. Next question. Tesla is measured of. So correct answer is option A, that is magnetic flux density. Next question. Admittance is a reciprocal of. So correct answer is option B, that is impedance. Next question. Dash is an active filter. So correct answer is option C, that is Butterworth filter. Next question. For transmission line load matching over a range of frequency, it is best to use a. So correct answer is option C, that is double stub. Next question. Emitter flower is used for. So correct answer is option C, impedance matching. Next question. Binary equivalent of 45 is. So correct answer is option C, that is 101101. Next question. In computer memory, size K indicates kilo, which is equal to. So correct answer is option B, that is 1024. Next question. An a stable multivibrator has? So correct answer is option A, no stable state. Next question, an ideal op-amp has? So correct answer is option D, that is infinity input impedance and zero output impedance. Next question, an instruction used to set the carry flag in the computer can be classified as? So correct answer is option C, that is logical instruction. Next question, an FET is? So correct answer is option B, that is unipolar semiconductor device. Next question, for gun diode semiconductor material preferred is? So correct answer is option C, that is gallium arsenide. Next question, in a JFET, drain current is maximum when VGS is? So correct answer is option A, that is 0. Next question, the output of the laser is? So correct answer is option D, that is coherent. Next question, as compared to a closed loop system, an open loop system is? So correct answer is option C, more stable but less accurate. Next question, transfer function of a system is used to calculate? So correct answer is option D, the output of a given input. Next question, in a closed loop control system? So correct answer is option D, all of these, and options are control action depend upon the output and also on input command, and option B, output signal is fed back to be compared with the reference signal, and C, the accuracy is better than is the opening loop system. So all of these are correct answer. Next question, the difference of the reference input and the actual output signal is called? So correct answer is option A, error signal. Next question, if the transfer function of a system is 1 upon Ts plus 1, the steady state error to unit step input is? So correct answer is option B, that is 0. Next question, in a PID controller, the value of the proportional, integral and derivative and R depends on? So correct answer is option B, present, past and future error respectively. Next question, the inverse Laplace transform of 2 upon s plus 1 is? So correct answer is option B, that is 2 into e to power minus t. Next question, the signal is extended for 96 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz. So the minimum sampling frequency required is? So correct answer is option B, that is 200 kilohertz. Next question, a differentiation circuit has a? So correct answer is option B, very low time constant. Next question, ideally voltage standing wave ratio VSWR should be? So correct answer is option C, that is as close to unity as possible. Next question, following is are a property and properties of quantization? So correct answer is option D, that is all of these, and options are it is a non-linear process, it is irreversible process, and it may a large set of inputs. So all of these are correct answer. Next question, the most common used filter in SSP generation are? So correct answer is option A, that is mechanical filters. Next question, if the antenna diameter in a radar system is increased by a factor of 4, the maximum range width will be increased by a factor of? So correct answer is option A, that is 2. Next question, following type of the multiplexing cannot be used for analog sampling? So correct answer is option B, that is TDM. Next question, in TDM system channel separation is done with the use of? So correct answer is option A, that is AND gate. Next question, data link layer of a OSI model specified? So correct answer is option A, data link procedures that provides for exchange of data via frame that can be sent and received. Next question, FDDI is a? So correct answer is option A, that is used in the ring network. Next question, which of the following TCP IP protocol allow an application program on one machine to send a datagram to an application program on another machine. So correct answer is option A, that is UDP, user datagram protocol. Next question. The main difference between the synchronous and asynchronous transmission is that. So correct answer is option B. The clocking is mixed with the data in asynchronous transmission. Next question. Transducer is a device which. So correct answer is option C. Converts one form of energy into other. Next question. Principle of the hysteresis is not used in. So correct answer is option C, that is multi-vibrator. Next question. Which of the following motor would not be suitable for use of the servo meter? So correct answer is option C, that is a stepper motor. Next question. The stator of an induction motor is made of. So correct answer is option D, that is silicon steel laminators. Next question. An ideal DC generator is one that has a voltage regulator. So correct answer is option C, that is 0. And last question of this session is commutator is used in. So correct answer is option A, DC generator. I hope you understand all the points and you have an idea about the EKT paper. And trust me guys, this paper is very easy as compared to other engineering competitive examination. So all the best to all FCAT aspirants. जय हिंद, जय भारत.